So, I've been working with the optical system a bit, and with this arm, it unfortunately wasn't strong enough to hold up the computer system and the screen. So I figured, well, how can I get something that's strong enough to hold up the computer system and that's easy to install into the mech? And then it hit me. I strapped the optical system computer to myself. So I'm going to be making a sort of mounting system, probably on the back of this, to put on the impact armor for the pilot. And I've built kind of a VR helmet-ish. It's that helmet from that video about the head mechanism. And I 3D printed a VR sort of scaffolding for it, because in order to use this big screen back here, the lenses need to be further apart than traditional VR headsets allowed. So I took out some old lenses from a VR headset, one of those cheap ones you can get for like $10 at Walmart or whatever, installed them in my 3D printed housing, and strapped the screen on. So probably I'm going to need to get some longer cables to connect the computer to the screen, because, well, that's only 6 inches of HDMI, and to go from the torso up to the head, it's probably going to need to be at least about 4 feet, so I'm going to be buying one of those, and probably a longer mini USB cable, a 4-foot one. So, and something really nifty about this, it's going to be kind of cool, is that it actually hinges up. So, you can walk around with your goofy goggles up above your head, then when it's ready to pilot, you go, and, it's not just going to be this exposed sort of circuitry thing. I'm working on a sort of badass cover for it, so it's going to be kind of shaped like that, with some LEDs in the eyes to make it glow, so you look kind of villainous when you're piloting it. It look like mech pilot really should. Here, pardon my foot. So, look something kind of like that. I'm probably going to be fiberglassing this paper model, and maybe it'll fit. But worst case scenario, I'll just have to 3D print this, because this is a 3D model I made on the computer. So I have to either fiberglass this or 3D print one. I'm going to have to get some more filament, because I'm almost out after 3D printing, bits of this and the VR headset and various other, well, and also the failed knuckle experiment and all that sort of stuff. So that's all for today, I guess. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.